Namaste friends, welcome back to Ganway channel. One day already gone for Fino Payments Bank IPO. What is there for us now? What is the grey market premium? What could be the listing gains? And whether should we consider it for short term or long term? All answers you will get. Please watch till end. This video is based on our research and analysis, does not mean any recommendation. Fino Payments Bank started their services in 2017. They are into category of fintech company. Most of their business runs on the digital way. They have various financial products and services in Indian market. Also, they have the growing business prospects. Fino Payments Bank services includes the current account, savings account, domestic remittances, deposit withdrawals through micro ATMs. They have the prepaid and debit card services also. Also, they earn some amount from mobile wallets and cash management services. Insurance is also a part of their service. When we talk about their earnings, it is mostly coming from the cross product commission. It is mainly through the insurance services, gold loan services, recharge, bill payments like this. There are certain strengths of this company, like they have technology advantage, government digital initiative and push is also there. They have definitely a growth potential and they started recently getting the profit also. If we saw their books, they have very low promotional expenses. In Indian market, they have tough competition from Airtel, Jio, India Post, Paytm and NSDL. Paytm is, we can say, a largest competitor in this list. Anyone visited the channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe, like, share, press bell icon so you will get notifications of our new videos. Fino has come up with an IPO of 1200 crores. Each share will have a face value of 10 rupees, but fresh issue is only about 3 300 crores, that is one fourth of the total amount, and 900 crores are going to OFS. It will be listed both on NSE as well as BSE. If you are thinking about the short-term investment or the listing gain, you should keep a watch at gray market premium. Definitely it is not very great at this moment, but looking at the subscription rate, definitely it would go up. If you are not eyeing for the listing day gain, but you are having the long-term goal, then maybe it is more useful for you because this company has technology advantage. They have shown the profitability. Also, they will have many innovative solutions coming up in the market. This industry and company both are showing the growth. Also, they are having great growth potential. When you think about investment of this company, definitely there are some risk points you should be aware of. Like we could see that this IPO price is expensive. Whatever valuation they have shown, we think that is expensive. Also, there will be tough competition and marketing from Paytm and other banks. And stock market sentiments also might be negative if you are eyeing for short-term goal. This IPO is starting on 29th of October and will close on 2nd of November. The price will be between the 560 to 577. Each lot will consist of 25 shares. You will apply minimum 1 and maximum 13 lots in retail category. Allotment is expected on 9th of November. If you don't get, refund should be initiated by 10th of November. Your Demat account should get credit by 11th of November and listing is expected on 12th of November. What should you do after this is listed? Whether you get or not, you should watch the performance of this company going forward. Also, you should take about the competitors. Paytm is also coming with IPO. You will get another video on the channel, so please subscribe. Also, if you want to invest more, you will have some choices through certain mutual funds. You will get those also on the channel. Gyanveda will bring many such videos on investment, mutual funds, stocks, IPO, insurance, income tax, and so many things. So please subscribe, like, share, be with us so you will get notifications of our new videos. If you have any suggestions, questions, or if you want to see more videos on certain other topics, please mention in the comment box. We'll try to make videos for your benefits. Have a happy investing. Thank you. Dhanyavad.